Today's the day I finally go up the mountain and ski, and no one is stopping me. If you watched my last video, I mentioned that it's been over a month since the season started and I
still haven't gone up, and everyone's been asking me, how have you not done that? You live here.
Let's do it! Alright, now we are ready to go. Hey, don't laugh because you think I look ridiculous. I think it looks cool, okay? Alright, let's go. I don't even know how to transition to the next thing. Alright, let's go. Bye. I'm not the best skier, plus I haven't done it in a while, so I'd say I'm about intermediate, so I'm gonna start off with the easy runs right here, and then once I get the hang of it, I'll try to go up a bit higher. I don't know if I can film that though, but let's do it. Alright, now I've done a couple of runs on the easiest slopes and I think I'm getting the hang of it, getting my muscle memory back. Is that the word? Anyways, I'm gonna do one more of this and then I'll try to go on a bit more difficult one. Alright, let's do this.
I don't believe it when you tell me that you think everything's going fine. You sure got a funny way of showing it, so this is where I draw the line. Just solve all this confusion. If we could sort it out, we get through the situation. No more hesitation. Focus on what we're about.
The thing I love about the forest trail is that a lot of the time it's empty, especially this part, this long bit where there's literally no one here. No one behind me, no one in front of me, so I can just peacefully enjoy the nature. To be honest, for the past couple of weeks I've been so stressed out because preparing for the ski season, because this is a ski resort and I work here, so it's been so stressful. But every time I ski down this forest trail, it never fails to enlighten me. It is just so beautiful out here. I love it. And by the way, during the summer and autumn I drove here, or my friends and I drove here, so it's really cool seeing it in 2 different seasons. It's amazing. Not sure if I misread the signs, but I think this is the intermediate slope, like the small one, but by the looks of it, it looks pretty easy to me, but I don't care. As long as I'm having fun and having a good time, which I am, that's all that matters. Now that I'm up here, it does actually look a bit more difficult than the easy runs, but I should be able to crush this. Alright, let's go down. Woo! Oh god, that was dangerous. Alright, let's do it. Woo! This is like a crazy 4D crazy ride POV things. I'm trying to go fast, but also not too fast. Hello, sorry to interrupt. Yeah, that skiing bit actually happened almost a week ago. It was beautiful, the sunset, oh my goodness, it was so amazing. It was like my gift, but also my curse, kind of like Spider-Man. Because literally 2 days after that skiing, I got the flu. I got brutally sick. Like I could barely walk, super high fever. Man, that was crazy. But luckily I got better in like 2.5 days, and I've like 95% recovered now. But that's the reason why this video is going up 1 week late. I really wanted to get this up last week, but I just couldn't. I'm sorry, life just happens. But yeah, that's not what I wanted to say. So let me show you. As you can see, wait, you can't even see me. As you can see, I did a lot of shopping. Actually, not a lot of shopping, but this was expensive, okay? Look, I got a new computer. This is for my dream desktop setup. I'm so excited. I've been wanting to do this for years, plus an additional week.
Because this has been sitting in that corner for a week that I was sick, and I didn't want to set it up when I was sick, but now's the time.
Let's unbox and set it up. Alright guys, everything is set up now, everything's here, everything's plugged in, so in theory, if I just turn this little boy on, then magic should begin, but if it doesn't, we'll figure it out. But okay, here we go. Moment of truth. Where's the power button? This is the controversial button. Oh, here it is. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, it's alive. Konnichiwa. Hello. And the mouse. Wait.
How does the mouse know? I didn't even connect Bluetooth or anything, and it's already connected. How?
It's amazing. Wait, where's my mouse pad? Where's my mouse pad? Hello. And I've got my mouse pad. Here's the setup process. So I'm gonna set this up. Let's switch to time-lapse mode. Whoa. 英語がいいです。time-lapse. And there we have it. My dream desktop setup is now set up. As I said, this was a long time in the making, or in the dreaming, and to have it actually here, visible and touchable and usable is just so exciting, and I'm just so hyped to get work and do stuff on this machine. I'll definitely make a follow-up video, maybe next week or the week after, I don't know, just talking about how I use this thing and the more in-depth reasons why I decided to upgrade to a Mac Mini. So, well, if this video came out last week, this would have been it, like, bye. But since this video is coming out 1 week later, I do have one last thing I can show you, hopefully. Alright, let's go. Fire Festival. Fire Festival. That's the final thing I wanted to show you guys. I'm actually very glad that I got sick because now I can include this in this video. Basically, it's a local yearly tradition, happens every January 15th. It's a fire festival. Everything is burning. It is crazy. As you can see, it starts off relatively peaceful, but then very quickly it gets hilariously dangerous as a bunch of drunk villagers carry this log of fire to the little shrine. As I said, the Nozawa Onsen Fire Festival is a yearly tradition which takes place every January 15th to celebrate the birth of a family's firstborn and acts as a prayer for good health and harvest. I'm genuinely surprised at how a crazy tradition like this hasn't caused a wildfire yet. But I guess the intense snow just cancels it all out. Anyways,
I think this is the absolute perfect way to finish the video. So thanks so much for watching, and click around to continue watching similar videos like this one. So with that being said, I hope to see you soon in the near future. Bye bye.